What's up, guys and gals? Anthony here with Special Analysis. Hope you had a wonderful day. I want to break down this Nasdaq opportunity. We identified this in the daily live trade room this morning. I want to walk you through exactly what happened so that you understand what the process is. Guys, it's very simple. Traders fail because they're impatient, period. If you're willing to wait for the setup, you will take lower risk, higher quality trades, period. That's what it comes down to. Now, once you enter a trade, you need to manage the trade accordingly. What does that mean? It means you need to pay yourself and you need to protect yourself. You also need to have the discipline to allow your trade to continue to run. What does that mean? It means that you can't risk $1,000 and as soon as you see $300 profit, you're going to take the profit off the table and say, I made $300 today. No, that is a recipe for financial suicide. That's what that is. Plain and simple. Because every once in a while, you're going to lose that $1,000. And when you only take $300 profit off the table, well, you're going to go backwards really fast and really far and never, ever, ever be able to catch up again. So I teach my traders to pay themselves and protect themselves. And that basically comes down to, hey, when the market moves in our favor, at the next area of support or resistance, depending on the direction we're trading, we need to pay ourselves and we need to protect ourselves, meaning liquidate part of the position, advance the stop. So let me break this down for you. This is the Nasdaq 100. This is from today, shortly after 10 a.m., 9:57 to be exact. We break out of the opening range, break through this prior high. Now, this is a pretty aggressive place to try to enter. What I want to see is a correction. I want to buy cheap on the way up, and I want to sell expensive on the way down. So, impulse, market runs out of steam. We correct what was once resistance, became support. Little counter trend line here. I identified this in real time. We break that little counter trend line, and we're off to the races. We use a 2-candle stop, and here we go. Target 1, pay yourself. Also, protect yourself. Take your stop from below that second prior candle, move it to your entry. Now, if you make more money, great. If you don't make more money, it's okay. All right? Once your stop is at your entry, all your anxiety, all your emotions should be at rest, especially if you've already paid yourself something. Now, it's just a game of being patient. Market keeps going higher. Here's target number 2, higher time frame channel structure. Look at how price literally stops at it. Sell another piece of your position. Now, we move above the channel line into a weekly pivot. Guess what? Sell a little more of your position. At this point, you could probably tuck your stop up a little bit, but I would leave it right where it is. And the reason being, I got 2 structures that were once resistance are now support. And I've already taken profit 1, 2, 3 times. What do I care at this point what the market does next? But this is where you have to be patient. And this is where you have to be disciplined. As long as we're holding the 813 EMA, guys, you should let this continue to run. And we ultimately ran into target number 4 that had a whopping 464 ticks from entry. If you sold 1 contract, a second contract, a third contract, a fourth contract, guys, this up here, just selling 1 contract at 464 ticks at $5 a tick is $2,320 US. That's just one of your contracts. You pocket it a little bit more here, you pocket it a little bit there, you pocket it a little bit there, and all along the while, as soon as you hit that first target, you no longer have any risk on the table. Guys, that is getting to that point is the most pinnacle move for any trader. Getting to a no risk, now we are only playing with house money. Guys, this is very simple. I'll run through the checklist. I do it all the time. 15-minute moving averages, 21.8 EMA, favoring the move. Fast moving averages, 21.13.8 EMA, all in sync, favoring the move. MACD off the 0 line, signal line leading the histogram. surrounding volume, favoring the move. Guys, we have all of those things above both VWAPs. All of that comes together right here. 15-minute moving averages are literally crossing. We have nothing but buying volume present prior to this move. We have a nice correction. We supported at the 8 EMA. MACD's off the 0 line. Signal line is leading the histogram. Guys, this checks every box. Does it guarantee it's going to work? No. But if you just take this trade over and over and over again, only this trade, you will have a much more greater experience trading. It's that simple. It is that simple. The long-term trends in your favor, the short-term trends in your favor. We're above the VWAPs. We have the MACD supporting the move. You got plenty of buying volume present. I mean, there's not one selling candle, an hour prior to this breakout. Guys, if you're not capable of doing this on your own, I will help you. Will I do it for you? No. Will I help you? Yeah. If you need guidance, if you want to see, my technicals, if you want to see my approach, if you want me to tell you, hey, listen, we're checking all the boxes right now. You can decide to do with that on your own. But, guys, 464 ticks on the Nasdaq. This should be paying your fucking mortgage. There's links below this video. The next step is yours to take. If you have questions, send me an email, info@specialanalysis.com. I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have. Guys, whatever approach you're trying to take to your trading, you're clearly watching this video because you're looking to get ahead. I'm here to help you. I'm not here to fight you. I'm not here to sell you something. If you want my help, my time is valuable. I'm happy to help you. If you're here to just make excuses, keep swiping because nobody here has time for that. It just is what it is. There's too many people that are actually serious about mastering this skill set that I'm invested in helping. And if you want to be one of them, great. If you don't, it's okay. Okay? I hope you find whatever it is that you're looking for to satisfy whatever needs you have financially or in your quality of life. I wish you the very best. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video.